Hey guys, got a few parts for the KX and the 400. Alright, I got some Klotz premix for the KX and some motor oil. New MSR shifter, because shifter that's on it right now, it's got a lot of play in it, and got some brake pads for 400, because brake pads that are on it right now is metal on metal, and the rotor's starting to get grooves in it. Alright guys, I'm gonna warm it up, get the oil warm so I can change it.
She may contain the urge to run away, but hold her down with soggy clothes and breeze blows. Cetirizine, your fever scream me again. Never kisses, or do you ever send a full stop? Do you know where the waffles go? They go along to take your honey. Way down how we build our breakfast down and say my love, love, love. La 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 la, muscle to muscle, and toe to toe. The fear grip me, but here I go. My heart sings as I jump up. Your hand grips and as my eyes shining up. Do you know where the wild things go? They go on to take your honey. Bring down our sleep, build our breakfast, now let's eat my love, love, love. She bruises calls, she splutters pistol shots. Hold her down with soggy clothes and breeze blows. She's morphine, queen of my vaccine, my love, love, love. La la la, muscle to muscle and toe to toe. The fear is grip me, but here I go. My heart sings as I jump up. Your hand grips and as my shining on.
Alright guys, we got the rotor off. This is what the brake pads look like. They were worn down all the way past. If you can see that, it's grinding metal on metal on each one. You can see the ridges in the rotor because it's grinding metal on metal. We're gonna have to sand those down, and then I'll get back to you when we're putting the new ones on. Alright, I'm gonna turn the bike on and let it idle in first gear so the wheel spins, and I'll rub this sandpaper across the rotor, smooth it out. Alright guys, I'll show you a couple projects we got going. This is my dad's 1986 Ducati 3-wheeler. You can look forward to seeing future videos on this thing. All it needs right now is some swing arm bearings, because you can see how much it wobbles back and forth. You need to put some brake pads. We have brake pads. We just have to put them on. And it needs a shifter. Another project we have is this CRF 50 07. Putting brakes on that. And there's a 4-wheeler. My 85 and my brother's 65. This thing, Honda 125 4, I'm pretty sure needs a CDI ignition box. We just haven't really got one because it's kind of slow anyways. And here's my XR70 you guys seen in the last video. Just comment which bike you want me to ride next video.